Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on my 2x2. So this is what it looks like. I bought it from Walmart. For some reason it's extremely good. Like it sort of is a lot faster than the normal one, like the normal Walmart 2x2. So I bought this and I'm like, huh, that actually feels a lot faster than the normal one, than a normal 2x2. So I went ahead and tried to pop a piece off. And then, as you can see this one right here, that one on this, like those two look different. They're supposed to look the same. So that happened, and it jammed my 2x2 for a little bit until I fixed it by popping it off a lot, and it came back on, and the piece popped out of the cube. So yeah, honestly, it's like a speed cube, but it's not quite a speed cube. It's still Rubik's, as you can see, but it feels like a speed cube. So let's do a quick solve. Man. Okay, next up. 3, 2, 1. So that's a quick solve. It works really good. So that's my 2x2. I recommend it if you buy it from Walmart. They're pretty good. Yeah. That's it. See y'all next time. Bye.